The topic of today's lecture is Introduction to Brushless DC motor, stepper motor and DC servo motor and their application. This is the topics of electrical machine related to Unit 3. These topics only introductory topics where I will discuss about their introduction and application one by one. The content of this discussion is brushless DC motor, stepper motor, DC servo motor. Brushless DC motor. A brushless DC motor consists of a rotor in form of a permanent magnet and a stator in form of polyphase armature winding. It differs from conventional DC motor in such that it does not contain brushes and commutation is done using an electronic drive to feed the stator winding. ब्रशलेस डीसी मोटर में ब्रशेस नहीं होते हैं, जैसा कि दूसरे डीसी मोटर में, सीरीज मोटर में, शंट मोटर में ब्रशेस होते हैं, कम्यूटेटर होता है, बट यहाँ पे ब्रशेस कम्यूटेटर नहीं होते। जो कम्यूटेशन का प्रोसेस है इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली परफॉर्म होता है। बेसिकली a BLDC motor can be constructed in two ways, by placing the rotor outside the core and the winding in the core, and another by placing the winding outside the core as shown in figure 1. Here rotor is outside the core and in this figure rotor is inside the core. Inner rotor, this is known as inner rotor and this one is known as outer rotor. The BLDC motor electronic commutator sequentially energizes the stator coils, generating a rotating electric field and drags the rotor around with it. An electrical revolution equates to an one mechanical revolution, where n is the number of magnet pairs. For a three-phase motors, three Hall effect sensors are embedded in the stator to indicate the relative position of stator and rotor to the controller so that it can energize the winding in the correct sequence and at the correct time. The Hall sensors are usually mounted on non-driving end of the unit as shown in figure 2. These are the Hall sensors. This one is the stator, this is the rotor magnets, this is the shaft. And application of BLDC motor. Brushless DC motors are used for a wide variety of applications, equipments such as wiring loads, constant loads, and positioning application in the fields of industrial control, automotive, aviation, automatic system, automation, healthcare equipments, etc. Some specific applications of BLDC motors are computer, hard drive and DVD and CD players, electric vehicle, hybrid vehicle and electric bicycle, industrial robots, CNC machine tools and simple belt drive system, washing machines, compressor and dryers, fans and pumps and more. Second topic is stepper motor. Introduction about the stepper motor. A stepper motor is an electromechanical device. It converts electrical power into mechanical power. Also, it is a brushless synchronous electric motor that can divide a full rotation into an expansive number of steps. The motor's position can be controlled accurately without any feedback mechanism, as long as motor is carefully seized to application. The stepper motor uses the theory of operation of magnets to make the motor shaft turns a precise distance when a pulse of electricity is provided. The stator has 8 poles and Rotor has 6 poles. The rotor wheel requires 24 pulses of electricity to move the 24 steps to make one complete revolution. Another way say that rotor wheel moves precisely 15 degrees for each pulse electricity that the motor receives. The types of stepper motor, there are three types of stepper motor. There is a view of stepper motor. These are the stator, that is the rotors. There are different windings, step windings, as discussed in previous slide. Permanent magnet stepper motor, hybrid synchronous stepper motor, variable reluctance motor. Permanent magnet motor use a permanent magnet in rotor and operate on attraction repulsion between rotor, permanent magnet and stator electromagnets. Variable reluctance motor have a plain iron rotor and operate based on the principle that minimum reluctance occurs with minimum gap. Hence the rotor points are attracted towards the stator magnet poles. Hybrid synchronous stepper motor are named because they use a combination of permanent magnet and variable reluctance techniques to achieve maximum power in a small package size. The applications of these motors. Stepper motors are used in automotive cases and machines, tooling, automated production equipments, in security field, new surveillance products for security industries. In medical, stepper motors are used inside medical scanners, samplers, and also found inside digital dental photography, fluid pumps, respirator, and blood analysis machinery. And in consumer electronics, stepper motor in camera of automatic digital camera, focus and tuning functions. And last topic is related to DC servo motor. As we know that any electrical rotor and motor can be utilized as servo motor. It is controlled by servo mechanism. Servo mechanism is a branch of control system where motion is controlled. Likewise, if we control DC motor by means of servo mechanism, it would be referred as DC servo motor. There are different types of DC servo motor, such as shunt wound DC motor, series wound DC motor, separately excited DC motor, permanent magnet DC motor, brushless DC motor. Among all, mainly separately excited DC motor or permanent magnet DC motor are used as servo motor. Figure 3a, this figure, connection of separately excited DC servo motor. This is a separately excited field winding, this is the armature winding. Figure 3b shows the armature EMF and excitation field EMF quadrant in DC machinery. This provides a fast torque response because torque and flux are decoupled. These are decoupled. Therefore, a small change in armature voltage or current brings a significant shift in the position or speed of the rotor. The speed of DC servo motor is normally controlled by varying armature voltage. The speed can be controlled also by the varying field, but in general cases, we vary the armature current. The armature of DC servo motor has larger resistance so that torque speed characteristics are linear and have larger negative slope. This slope is negative because it is clockwise. Larger negative slope. Torque reducing with increased speed. Larger negative slope means as speed increases, then torque reduces, and in starting, torque is high. Negative slope provides viscous damping for servo drive system. The power rating of DC servo motor can vary from few watts to several hundred watts. Most of the high power servo motors are mainly DC. An application of DC servo motors, they are used in radar system and process controller. Servo motors are used in computer and robotics. They are also used in machine tool, tracking and guidance system. We use some references to prepare this PT. Thank you.